Thank you so much. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Komakech Patrick is my name. I am the chairperson of OBs and OGs Patongo Primary School. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much to God Almighty Father for having kept us alive beginning from January up to December this year. Many have not been in a position to make it to today, but I am grateful that I and many people who are listening to me are still alive. God, thank you so much. I want to also begin by saying Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you all that are going to listen to this video of mine. After Christmas, immediately we are going to have important program, and this program is Patongo Primary School Reunion Program, which normally takes place every 30th of December of each and every year. For this particular year, the program is going to be much more glorious, it's going to be much more flamboyant, as we have decided to spice it up with a number of activities. Among them includes, there is going to be a friendly match between Patongo Primary School OBs and OGs with our sisters and brothers from Patongo Primary School. It is going to be a wonderful friendly match. Do not miss it. Secondly, we are also going to have other games like Umode, Dini Dini, Buala, Ding, and a lot of dance. I request you kindly not to miss this important program for this particular year. Among the guests of honor, so the people that we have invited them which are going to be there, we have the Honorable Minister of State for Economic Monitoring. She is going to be with us. We are going to have the Member of Parliament for Agago County. We are going to have the in-charge Patongo Health Center 4. She is going to be there especially to supervise the mini health camp that is going to be part of our activity. In the mini health camp, we are looking toward reducing hypertension and also creating mental health awareness. So I request you to be around. The medics that are around, come and give a free service to our people in the community. Among the programs that are going to be there, we have also decided to invite our friends, our brothers and sisters who are OBs and OGs of different primary and secondary schools within Agago district. Actually, while a Pima by a Pitin Latin Community continue or make Pagirane. Mirwatini, pay me a Logme Association for OBs and OGs, Kuwinity Paton Primary, Kuwinity Paton Que, Kuwinity Laidi, Kuwinity Secretary. Enter Agago schools, Mapat, Majalichan, Charles Luangas College, Majara, Dilang SS, Lera Palu SS. We also want their OBs and OGs to wake up and begin doing something great for their school. So we have invited all their representatives to be there. So see you there. Thank you. So with this, I want to say thank you so much to all of you all. I wish you again a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And also to all the OBs and OGs of Patongo Primary School. Prepare for this wonderful day and let's be there. See you there. God bless you all.